Good evening, everyone. I am Trancoso-Calliste, and for my nature feature documentary, I'll be talking about Bun Bun. You may be wondering, who or what is Bun Bun? Bun Bun is my family pet rabbit. So, you may know that God created animals on the sixth day. So, Bun Bun and the other animals were created on that day. Now let's meet Bun Bun. It is now Bun Bun's dinner time, so I'm going to feed Bun Bun her rabbit pellets. As you can see, for Bun Bun's lunchtime, she got two different brands of rabbit pellets, the universal rabbit pellets and another brand. She only ate the universal rabbit pellets. She had a choice. Now, Bun Bun reminds me of when God gave us choices to choose each day to follow God's commandments and live lives just like Christ. Bun Bun also eats fruits and vegetables, such as watermelon, mangoes, bananas, lettuce, cabbages, carrots, and pak choy. Now let's talk about some features about the rabbits. I'm sure that people will know rabbits for being short and fluffy mammals with long ears and fluffy tails, with strong, large hind legs and two pairs of sharp incisors. Incisors are teeth. She has a pair on top and a pair on the bottom. They also have two pegs of teeth in the back of the top incisors. Some interesting facts about rabbits. A baby rabbit is called a kitten, a female is called a doe, and a male is called a buck. Rabbits are very social creatures that live in groups. A rabbit's teeth never stops growing. The amazing ears can also be rotated almost a full circle to 270 degrees. To express happiness, bunnies will sometimes jump around and flick their heads and feet. Another interesting fact is when a doe is pregnant or in labor, there's a specific term for that, and that is kindling. So let's observe a video where a rabbit is kindling. So here is a rabbit kindling. She is in the process of laboring right now. Cleaning her kittens and protecting them. She made a nest and pull out her fur so when they are born they can come out in a soft, nice bed. It is amazing for it to have animals to know how to protect their children when they are born. As that rabbit protects her kittens, God protects his children once we love and have faith in him. There are at least 305 breeds of domestic rabbits in 70 countries around the world. Here are some of them. I will be naming 10. There is the Havana rabbit, the harlequin rabbit, silver fox rabbit, plush lope rabbit, Swedish hare, the New Zealand white rabbit, the New Zealand red rabbit, the blanc de hotot rabbit, the English angora, the cinnamon rabbit, and the Australian rabbit. Can anyone guess what breed is Bun Bun? I hope you guessed it right. Bun Bun is a mixture of a New Zealand rabbit and an Australian rabbit. I hope you learned more about rabbits from my documentary today. This brings me to the end of my nature feature presentation. Thank you for listening.